Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how bad text to video can be? It can be pretty bad, especially the free ones, but even the ones you pay for can be horrible. Also, I happen to own Capcut. I use it to edit all my videos, and I was like, oh, let's see if I can, streamline the process and make life easier. Didn't happen. Now, there are, again, some good paid services out there that work okay. But man, it is a train wreck. The CapCut video that I have made in the past have been horrible. So today, if you stick around, I'm going to show you how I do it, from writing the script to feeding it into CapCut to seeing the absolute crap it produces. So stick around. We're about to start the fun. All right, so here we are. We're at CapCut. We're ready to do this. Text to video. My life's going to be easy. I'm going to make the greatest video, and I'm going to make millions of dollars on YouTube. No, you're not. At least on CapCut's text to script, you're not. Maybe you're good, but you're not that good. So all you have to do is go to capcut.com. Now, remember, I do have the pro version, so I do pay for this. I use this a lot. So just on this bar right here, you can see where it's scrolling over. Just go down here where it says script to video. You're going to click that. It's going to open up another window, and it's going to give you this prompt. Remember, 3,000 characters is the max. So what do? I go right to ChatGPT. I already wrote the script. I kind of seeded the script. Here it is right here. It doesn't even matter if it's good. It doesn't matter what it says, because what it's going to pump out is going to be horrible. Just take what you got from CapCut. You're going to copy it. So once you paste in the script here, make sure you go down to the bottom and pick the aspect ratio that you want. In this case, I want it to be for YouTube, so 16:9. Now, here are the different voices. Let's just listen to them. They're absolutely horrible. Here we go.
CapCut's text-to-video feature is an absolute mess now.
No way.
CapCut's text-to-video feature is an absolute mess.
Text-to-video feature is an absolute mess.
Text-to-video feature is an absolute mess.
Let's see this last one.
CapCut's text-to-video feature
Whoa.
is an absolute...
All right. Now let's go ahead and generate this. We're going to do the smart generation and see what happens.
CapCut's text-to-video feature is an absolute mess right now. If you're looking to create a seamless, polished video with minimal effort, prepare for disappointment. It feels like the platform is stuck in an experimental phase, with a long way to go before it becomes reliable or truly effective. Let's start with the voices. CapCut claims to offer AI-generated voiceovers, but the result is a far cry from what you'd expect. The voices are robotic, lackluster, and stiff, nothing like the fluid, natural sound of a real person speaking. They're often monotonous, which completely detracts from the emotion and meaning of your script. You might think you're going to get a smooth, conversational tone, but what you get instead sounds like a text-to-speech program that hasn't been updated in years. Then there's the music. Sometimes CapCut nails with a perfect background track, and you feel a sense of relief, but more often than not, the music choice feels forced, awkward, or downright awful. It's either too intense for a light-hearted scene or too dull for something that should be exciting. It feels like the platform is throwing random tracks at the wall and seeing what sticks. Spoiler: most of it doesn't. As for the video clips, they're a total gamble. On occasion, the footage selected is spot on and matches the vibe you're going for. But those moments are few and far between. More often than not, CapCut seems to pick clips that make no sense whatsoever. You're talking about a serene walk in the park, and suddenly the video cuts to a chaotic action sequence that leaves you scratching your head.
I think that's enough. I think you get the idea. CapCut just isn't going to give you what you need doing script to video, text to video. If you look at the good YouTubers out there, they spend a lot of time editing, or they have people doing it. So if you think you're going to just throw something into the system, it's going to produce something that's amazing, it's not going to happen. It could be a useful tool in a bind, but I wouldn't depend on this at all. I'd love to hear your comments about using AI, whether it's CapCut or any other, for videos that you've made. Please subscribe to this, hit the bell if you want to be informed about my upcoming videos. Thank you, and have a great day.